Welcome to Top Trading Guys Academy. Today is 25th October and today let's take a look at the market update. As we had the Tuesday market earning after hours, Google earning came out, and that was a big bomb drop by the Google right here. So the earning missed, both revenue and earning EPS also missed. So EPS missed big time, guys. So it was expected was $1.25 and they got it 106, almost 19-cent miss. So that's a big miss. Plus revenue also miss. And after that, as you all know, look at that. Google earning, Microsoft, future growth down. That's why Microsoft beat the revenue, guys. Okay, just to let you know. But the future growth is not there. That's what they're saying. So Google, Microsoft, and that echo to the Meta right here. Meta is also social media right here. That's also going down, and that also echo to the Apple also. So look at this mega cap. So this is called earthquake in a market, because the moment this earning came out and it didn't. So that's what exactly look like. But let's take a look at the market, okay? Because market was super bullish right here. Remember last 3 days as we going around, you can go and take a look at the video what I said market going to be. So when I said yesterday, hey, market heading to, when it was 377, now I said we're gonna be 386 around area right here. We got a 50-day moving average right there is the resistance. And with today we had the earning, right? So that earning messes up the whole game plan right here, but that's fine. That's everybody has a plan right here. Last 3 days market is bullish right here, you see. So Monday and Tuesday bullish. So if market maker go and make a 1 day red, so all the bulls get slaughtered right here, and the bear get prepared to buy more bearish, and day after tomorrow, Thursday, they can have a green day, something like that they can plan. But let's talk about tomorrow only right here. So this is what I can see right now here. So the bull cycle has started right here. Let's take a look at, let's analyze it right here. This is your bull cycle started right now. All right, so market is still like this bull, but the way the Google today announced, and now the whole situation can be changed upside down, right? But it takes a little time, doesn't happen immediately. But let's see how it goes, because of the the Friday option expiry. You got to keep it in mind. That's the major thing. So let's look at the 5-minute chart. I need to go and look at the 5-minute charts, and what exactly look at the price of control line is higher high. But the one thing I notice is, what, let me go to the daily chart real quick so I show you what I mean. Let me get out of this right here, so I can show you better way, guys. Okay, all right, let's go 5 minutes. So okay, over here one thing I notice, which is important thing today I notice right here after the market. Look at this, is your major sloping support. That support, if you take a look at, market was bullish, but in the pre-market is down. So as long as we stay above tomorrow 384, then it's bullish, but 385 then is bullish right here. Otherwise, the trend line breaks, we could go and test the linear line. So the price of control line is here, we could go and test this right here. So these are the scenario, and if market breaks the previous day low, which would be this. Okay, so keep it in mind. I'm gonna mark it right here. You can click a pictures if you want, so you would know by for tomorrow, because everybody is now waiting for my update, right? And I'm trying my best to analyze the market. So right here, the trend line has broken. Linear line got to be tested. If the linear line get tested and it breaks, then we're gonna go and test the previous day low. Previous day low is 373 right here, and once we break that, then we go and test the trend line right here. Okay, so this is how, but this is not gonna happen in 1 day everything, guys. Okay, but just to give you things what I can think of it. These are the bearish scenario right here on this one. Bullish scenario, we got to cross 385 market, cross 385 and above, then we could be a bullish. These are the bullish scenario, this is the bearish scenario setting up. So what exactly happened right here, this is your trend line. As long as if it breaks, it look like in after hours, then we can go and test 377. That's what it looks to me right here. Market wants to do this, but you never know. All right, so this is what it looks like. Let me clear it up. so we all can see what exactly I think tomorrow. Right here there is another thing I notice here, right here. So over here, if you take a look at it, let me bring it back to the original thing so you all can see properly. All right, so right here so far, okay, look at the MACD is still bullish, but still in a bear territory, not in a bull territory. What does it mean? Look at that, market try to go high, up here this time. Look at the MACD, and then we got a reversal, market sell off right here, sell off like that. So market can go up with a could sell off, and we can test the support line here. So that's what the MACD could do, but this is the process of couple of weeks, guys, here, okay, to diversion couple of weeks. But RSI, yes, absolutely. So if you look at the RSI over here, we try to go up. Look at the RSI here, constant going up, but not overbought. Now the overbought territory. So RSI is getting into overbought. So now if RSI find the weakness here, then you might see a rejection. So RSI is getting overbought right here, and that could be a rejection here. That's, we need to keep it in mind. So this is the one scenario right here, and right, RSI and MACD. So these are the things looks like. Now if, say for example, if we break through bull scenario right here, then we have the resistance at 390. That's what I mentioned about. 390 is the next resistance, right? That's the bull scenario right now. But we have to keep it in mind, Friday option expiry, and the game plan, we cannot have a three-day constant green. Market maker has a different agenda behind, right? Because that's how they make money. And Thursday is the most, Thursday after hours earnings, Apple and Amazon, right? That's what we need to focus on, Meta, Amazon. So that is the most important day, Thursday. So tomorrow is the day where market can sell off probably, and Friday morning they can little lift it up, and then Wednesday, which is tomorrow, they can have a green day, right? I mean, they could have a red day, right? So that way all the bull get washed out, right? And then what left day after tomorrow? Thursday they could have a green day probably, right? All the Apple's bullish and everybody can be bullish. And then after market hours, probably, you know, bad news, Amazon, Apple, whatever the bad news comes, then we could have Friday red day. That's what I can think. This is the, so we're gonna keep analyzing as the time goes by right now. So right now market looks weak because that's what market was waiting for, and today Google opened up the whole can of worm now, and that worry a big time. All right, so it looks like market is now change the card. That's what is market going to look like. So we'll see how it reacts, guys. So see you tomorrow morning 9:30. Please, sharing is caring, guys. Okay, look at that, look at this, Google aftermarket down, Microsoft down, Meta down, Apple down. All right, that's what it looks like. So guys, see you tomorrow morning. Top Trading Edge Academy, always morning 9:30 to 4 o'clock every day live, guys. We are live. Please, sharing is caring. Share with others. We are live here, and please join the community. It's free of charge, guys. Live streaming, free of charge. All right, thank you. See you tomorrow.